The K-Rain Pro S pop-up spray is ideal for watering areas up to 15 feet. In this video, you will learn how to set and adjust the Pro S spray. If you have purchased a 0 to 360 degree adjustable spray model, there are two easy steps to adjusting the spray. Set the left spray edge and adjust the coverage area. To set the left spray edge with the system running, turn the riser left or right to align the left edge of the desired watering area. To adjust the coverage area, turn the ridged top of the nozzle clockwise to increase the area or counterclockwise to decrease the area. If you purchased a 90 degree, 180 degree, or 360 degree spray model, the spray area is fixed to that specific degree. To adjust the spray direction, with the system running, simply turn the riser left or right to the desired spray area. With fixed spray models, you can adjust the spray distance. Using a small flat blade screwdriver, turn the center nozzle screw to reduce the distance.